Welcome to Data Analyze project. And today, guys, we are going to create how to use time intelligence, and we are going to create a calendar. I'm going to show you step by step. You are going to create a full stack data analyze in this project. So, what does mean time intelligence? Time intelligence Power BI will help us how to using all the dates and calendars. Plus, I'm going to show you. You are going to use it. Okay, guys, come to here on the left side in the corner here on the file. Then we have seeding here. Inside seeding, we have a something called option. Inside option here, just guys, second, it will show us here new. It will pop up new windows here. So look on this window, we have guys something called load data load. So inside data load, we have a here guys time intelligence. Some kind of computers, it will already become a default, but some kind of no. So guys, remember this one it will be checked like this. So because it will be already readable for time intelligence to remember this one. And then now guys, go to click here, okay. Then let's go to and create our time intelligence project. So if you are already here, I'm going to show you. Let's go to create our time intelligence. Okay, how to create a time intelligence? Okay, just a second, guys. Okay, here guys, come to on the what there? Okay, now on the report on the file here. Here, guys, we have the home and then insert, and then we have the modeling. Right, come to under here modeling. Inside the modeling, we have a new tables. We want to get a new table, but we want to create a calendar, right? So here, calendar, we want to give a calendar name table now. So we are going to create a table. Our table name is calendar. If you want to give guys another name, so give name. I just called calendar. So calendar, and then here just want to put calendar. Here guys, we have a many calendar tables, and then we have calendar and calendar auto. So I'm going to calendar auto. There's so many things I'm going to show you to understanding what does mean calendar auto and then calendar regular one. Okay, so we are going to use this one, but now I'm just showing you some examples here to remember or to learning. Okay, uh, yeah, guys, when I say calendar auto, there is a physical year and ending months. So what does it mean, physical year? So every country there to where you are, guys, there's a physical year. So what is your physical year there? So just close the bracket, and then I'm going to show you. Click to enter. Okay, so now guys, it's already this is our data, guys. Remember, we have accident date. We are going to use this one, and data accident. We are going to use this one. But this and our table name, guys. We already created calendar now, and then, but we are going to to calculate to get our current year here. But I'm going to show you how to what does meaning calendar auto. So we have here this one our data. Look, now when I create a calendar auto, it will create us like this from our data. Our data is look like this, right? Uh, so our data, this one, right? But we have now, I created a table. It will be shown us like this. You see here, this is a physical year, January, 1st of January, 1899, right? So this is a very long years ago, So, but we don't want that one because we wanted to use in the current year, right? How to get it current years, how to use like that. So I'm going to show you how to create a current year and to get in your data or in your project right now. So we are going to use complete full stack project, right? Because I'm going to show you start to end everything here. We are going to learn step by step until we are going to finish this project. Okay, here is the physical year. You see the 1st of January. If because if I put 1st of January it will give us of February, 1st of February, right? This is the how to use physical years. But here, if I use it zero, I'm going to show you how to. If I use it as zero, it's going to give us because January. So this is always, there is zero. It's meaning first of January, and then one. It's give you second of months. So remember, this is how to programming it's working. So let's go back here. I'm going to show you. Let's go to use here. I just say March, and let's go to back in our data here, and you can to see. Uh, Look, guys, when I put March, give us here April. You see, this is the guys where if you are in India or in America or in Australia or in China, so what is your physical year there? So remember to know what does meaning is physical year. If you put it March, it's going to start from April. If you put April, it's going to start from May. So it's work like this. So this is the meaning physical year where you want to use. So if you want to use uh, calendar autumn. So this is the meaning way that's so we don't want it this one. So guys, now you already understand, right? We don't want it this one. We are going to I'm going to show you how to get in the current year or before 2 years ago. So 20 date of 2023 or 2022. So let's go to we don't want it this one, and let's go to we use uh, just calendar. Okay, we wanted this ought to use this only calendar. Now look guys, it's give us start date, so it's giving us from start date and then ending date. So we want it exactly this one start date and then ending date, right? But we don't want it to use like a string like this and then so today the week date is 28, right? We don't want it to use like this 28 and then comma and then like uh 2024. So we don't want to use like this and then to comma like this. This is not a good way to guys to start to programming or start to to become a full stack data analyst. You have to understanding there is some default and then you're using some kind of default functions. It will be more helpful. But I'm going to show you another way you are going to do it. So here now I'm going to use mine minimum. So here date. Then now we are going to get from which data. So our data is called, guys, here we have a left side, you see accident date, right? So we are going to get this one. How to, okay, here we are going to guys to write to get accident date. Okay, data, you see here, data accident date, we are going to get this one. And then now we are going to close, right? We are going to close with a bracket. Yeah, we are going to close in a okay. We are going to close the bracket and then we use comma and then we want to maximum. Okay, maximum again we want to use same data and then we want to close and we want to close one more because this one. So now guys, we already got our calendar and our dates. So because now we use a default. So now just guys click enter and then to get. Look guys, so it's now changed. You see here, so 1st of January 2021, so it's give us before 3 years ago, you see. So now we got uh, our new calendar, and now we are going to, guys, so you can also check this way. Look guys, look now interior. So this way, guys, how to create a date or current date or calendar, right? So guys, I'm looking forward to see you in my next tutorial, and bye for now. If you are guys new, you like and subscribe, you are going to learning this full stack course, and until you are going to succeed, and bye for now.